All right, traders, we're back with the gold. Last week, I was announcing, this really interesting bearish opportunity on the gold. We were just looking at the gold coming back this huge spike, right? It was basically trying to break through 1583. And we knew that 1583 is a powerful resistance and it could hold and basically signal the end of that upside trend, right? That upside move, which, by the way, took the previous high, then spiked the hell out of that 1583. It was such an interesting move, right? Take a look how that day ended. Just remember, it started so strong on the upside at some point, it made it all the way to 1611, right? 1611, imagine that. That's like almost 30 points. And then it crushed all the way back, right? It was such an intense, downside reversal pattern. Now we took action, right? We took action on that move. We got in and we signaled. We marked two levels. We've marked 1530 as the first target, right? It's just the first target, and it's also at the test level, because as far as we're concerned, if price can break 1530, that's going to be a huge sign that it's going to continue to push downwards. And in that case, we might engage with a bigger position, right? We might push for a bigger position. So the game plan was taking some profit at 1530, right? Probably like 30-40% of the position is going to be out. And then just wait for the reaction. If price is going to find that level 1530 too strong for breaking through, then we will have that reaction, right? We will have price starting to turn around, and that's gonna be a good sign. So we're probably gonna consider pulling out, closing the entire position. However, if it's gonna be successful, we might have a bit of a battle going on here. But eventually, if it's not gonna turn around, and it's gonna begin to drill into that 1530, that's gonna be a good sign. And then of course we'll wait for that daily close confirmation to engage with a bigger position going to 1471, right? 1471 was our main price target, right? Was our primary target, price target right from the get-go. So we're going to respect the commitment we had for the gold here, for this, for this bearish campaign. I do want to show you one more thing. We think price can actually go beyond 1471. Not to say that we will stay here beyond that point. We probably won't. However, we think price could actually go all the way, believe it or not, to the area of 1434 and all the way to 1418, right? And you can find the 200-day moving average conveniently right in between these two key levels. So we have this triangle of technical elements, right? Two key levels that basically belong to two different key level systems, right? We're talking about 1434 belongs to the big setup. That's the black. It's coming from the weekly chart actually, and 1418 belongs to this particular system. This is a daily chart system, right? The blue one. And the 200-day moving average. So just remember, the price did take the previous high, right? So it's more likely that it will try to do the same and take the previous low, right? Create this kind of ever expanding type of pattern that's very common. So we got a lot to talk about here on the gold. So we'll have to come back, right? We'll have to come back and follow up, see how things have played out. And that's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. All right, guys, that's about that for today. I wish you a nice trading day, and we'll be back tomorrow. So see you then. Bye-bye.